Where's your phone?
It's my bag. Dude, I'm not even warmed up.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is gonna suck. Oh yeah, you have a nice golf swing. See, mine's all kinds of goofy ass. Whatever, as long as it works. How it looks, how it looks. Yeah, I can totally feel like I'm doing this across the Don't do that. I know, don't do that. It's not a lift issue.
I have no idea where it is.
No idea what it's gonna do. Oh my god, so stiff. You want me to give you a little rub, help you relax? Just hand stuff, it's not gay. Alright, that feels better. She probably thinks it looks better too. Alright. For realsies now. For realsies. Where am I going? Pin is straight ahead. I see it. You got it? Okay.
That's awesome! That's awesome!
Nice work, buddy. I was like, man, I knocked the shit out of that. You blasted it, sir.
That is beautiful. Oh, where'd you get that from?
I don't remember. It was some gag store.
What is it made out of?
Fuck if I know, dude. I've never seen it before. I wasn't sure if it was just going to disintegrate or actually pop.
I'm so happy I have that on video.
I know the answer to that one.
Gotcha!
That was awesome. Oh shit.
That's a nice drive.
Wrong direction.
Yeah, you're kind of lined up that way.
Yeah. See, oh, there's a tea ready for you.
Oh, thank you.
Chicken exploding golf ball. Love
That is awesome, Colin.
I love it. That was brilliant. Oh my god, that was like the best prank I've had played on me in a long time. Bam! What the hell?
Yes.
Where's the beer?
Good.
Where's the beer?
Where's the beer?
I'm having a Coors.
Nice, sir.
I'm right over there with you.
Yeah, there you are. Alright, Brother Duke.
What were you hitting, Colin?
What?
Who were you hitting?
Driver.
No, what number?
So number 1. Cheers, yes. So glad we got that on film.
I didn't realize that was...
I had no clue what was going to happen. I thought it might like pop or actually explode. Like it was one of those like high impact things. And, yeah, on
Like a massive, basically a massive pressure cap.
yeah.
That would have been funny too. So I probably would have shit my pants.
Sorry.
You have to record this, Beth.
Oh, yes, I do.
Just like that, dude.
Beautiful.
Just like that.
Want a beer to help you? Help you relax?
You're going right where we are, too.
Hey, look, at least we're all over the same area.